How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Faulks Tech YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to block ads on the Nvidia Shield. Now this will work on just about any newer Android device. It'll work on older as well, but you'll need a different version, and I'll show you that in a moment. But in this video, we're going to focus on the Nvidia Shield, and to do this, we're going to need to download an app called Blackata. And how I'm going to do it is I'm going to go on to ES File Explorer, but before I do that, I would like to show you an example here. So let's scroll down to Showbots. I'm going to open this up, and we're going to see ads, and it's pretty annoying. So let's let it load. All right, there's ads right there. It popped up. It's pretty intrusive. I have to hit B to make them go away. Remind me later, and I got that ad right here. So what I'm going to show you is how to install Blackata, and after you install it, these ads will be gone. Basically what it does is it puts IP addresses into like a host file, and it kind of blots the Google ad services and many others. Now this will not block the YouTube ads from the built-in YouTube app due to the way they do their ads. They don't use Google ad services, at least not through the web. They use it straight through, they use the API straight through their app. So that's something we can't block, but we can block all of our important apps that we really like to watch, like Showbots, Movies HD, Mobdro, whatever IPTV you use. So let's go on to ES File Explorer here. Now there's a lot of ways you could do this, guys. I'm just going to show you the way I'm going to be doing it, and that way is the good old-fashioned way, through the browser here, going to Yahoo. Alright guys, so we're here. I would highly recommend a keyboard with this if you're using ES File Explorer, as the controllers are very difficult to get over to the web browser. So I'm going to click search. We're going to type in blackata.org. And there it is, guys. All we need to do is click this here. We're going to scroll down to the bottom here. Now here's what I mentioned. If you have an older Android device and you're not installing it on your Shield, you're installing it on an older phone, you'll want to use version 2. We're going to be using version 3.6. I'm going to click this guy. It's going to take a minute to install. Alright guys, we're going to click open file. Once it's done, install again. Alright, now we're going to click open. And this is what it's going to look like. And guys, you're going to be prompted with a welcome and thank you. It's a good idea to read this if you need to follow the instructions or anything. I'm going to click continue. Alright, once you hit continue, you'll see this. Now, what's cool about this is, the old version, you had to actually import a host file that had IP addresses to block, and this one actually has a preloaded host file, so there's nothing we really need to do. One thing to do is we're going to go to advanced settings. You can also download additional lists as well, and you can change this to the frequency of how often you want the list to be downloaded. We're going to scroll down. Now I got start on boot, so make sure if you are downloading the version that I have, it'll automatically be on start on boot. We need this enabled in order to block the ads. You can there's a lot of settings you can do in here. You can do a keep alive if you're experiencing issues with the app staying active. You can check this. You have a watchdog setting, which basically allows you to activate it only if you're using VPN. And you have an aggressive wake up as well. So aggressive wake up is basically when you have issues with the power save feature, you can enable that to make sure it wakes up when the system wakes up. Alright, going back to where we was at, it's already enabled, which is great. You can click here to turn it on, and we're going to click OK. And once you see that orange light, that means that it's currently active. And it's utilizing this host file to block Google Ad Services. And what you can do from here is you can get out of this. And we're going to go back to the showbots here and launch it. And you will see no ads pop up this time. And there it is. You now basically have a premium experience. I mean, this is amazing compared to what we were seeing before. I got popped up with an intrusive ad. With this, all the ads are gone. This will work with any third-party app. This will work with just about any app, except for YouTube, due to the built-in APIs of the Google Ad Services, and it's not actually reaching out to pull the ads from the outside. It's pulling in from the app. So that's one thing that this app doesn't block. But if you're like me, that's not a big deal. So I want to talk about. I'm going to set the keyboard down here, guys. I want to talk about what I've been doing for the past few days. Well, past month. I apologize for the frequency of my videos. I just hit the 700 subscriber mark. That is amazing. I'm going to be getting back into the grind, guys. I apologize for being slack. That's really the only thing I can say. But there are good reasons. For example, I'm doing a lot of things for my career. I'm studying. I'm going to be taking the a Server 2016 certification soon, so I can advance in my career, or put the things in place to advance in my career. So there's that. And since I'm seeing more promising things come from YouTube, then I'm going to be pursuing that as well. So I'm doing like 4 things at one time. I'm being husband and parent, which is 1. I got my career. I have YouTube, and the 4th thing is just a very small amount of time that I try to fit in things that will help with my other 3 things I enjoy. So I got a lot going on. Thank you all for sticking around. I have another PC build coming up. This is going to be a Ryzen build. You guys are going to love that. And I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you are able to use this to its fullest extent. If you're not going to be using it, thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Guys, that is the end of the video. I'm going to end it here. I'm going to be making much more content. I'm going to be getting back in the grind, like I said a moment ago, and we'll go from there, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and support the video if you can. If not, no big deal. Give me a thumbs up and share it out. I'll talk to you guys next time. Goodbye.